Hey again, I wanted to make another video to show you what we did in math today, as many students struggled with it. So we talked about multiplying and dividing decimal numbers by 10. And it is super simple. There's actually no math calculations involved. You're just using your place value knowledge. So I know that when I multiply, the number gets larger. And that when I multiply by 10, that just means I'm moving over a place value. So in the example, $37.50 times 10, all I'm really doing is the decimal is going over one spot. So it's no longer $37.50, it's now $375. So when I multiply by 10, the decimal moves to the right one spot. When you multiply, it moves to the right one spot. Now let's look at division. When I divide, I know the number's getting smaller. So when I divide by 10, that decimal slides one spot to the left. So it's no longer 37 and 50 hundredths. It's 3 and 750 thousandths. 3.750. This is the tenths, the hundredths, the thousandths. 3 and 750 thousandths. Notice I really didn't have to do any math. I just slid the decimal over. They just need to remember, if you multiply by 10, it slides one spot over to the right. If you divide by 10, you slide that decimal one spot to the left. I've got a few more examples. So I have 57 hundredths times 10. I am multiplying by 10. So that decimal slides one spot to the right. So this decimal is now here. I have 5.7. And the way I say that is 5 and 7 tenths. Same thing with 57 hundredths divided by 10. I'm dividing by 10, so that decimal slides one spot to the left. It gets smaller. So I just move it, and it goes right there. That decimal is now right there. So now I have 0 decimal, because I don't have a whole number, so I can automatically put a 0 there. 0.57. And I say that this is 57 thousandths. Tenths, hundred, thousandths. Now I can do the same thing with the word problem. 10 friends are going to the movies. Each friend needs to pay $8.95 for their movie ticket. How much will the total be for all 10 friends to watch the movie? Oops, that should say movie. I know that 10 friends are going to the movie. Each friend is going to pay $8.95. And I want the total for all 10 friends to watch the movie. So I know that I am multiplying $8.95 times 10. Again, I'm multiplying by 10, so that decimal slides one spot to the right. The number should get larger. So it's no longer $8.95, it is $89.50. Here's our last example. 10 friends go out to eat at Olive Garden. The total is $78.09. The friends decide to split the bill. How much should each friend pay? So I know that 10 friends are going out to eat at Olive Garden. The total is $78.09. I'm going to go ahead and write a 10 over 10 friends. The friends decide to split the bill. How much should each friend pay? So on this example, I know that I am dividing. So I have $78.09 divided by 10. I'm dividing by 10. That decimal is just going to slide one place over to the left because this number needs to be smaller. So now it is $7 and we can put 809, but we know that that would be 81 cents if I rounded it, okay? So please have your child watch this video. Maybe you want to make up a few examples for them to practice. They are practicing a few on Seesaw as well.